Hi there, I'm Brad and this is Jonathan, and we want to thank you for taking a moment for us to update you on some changes that we're making to ProPresenter. Every week, we hear from users all over the world on how ProPresenter is affecting their productions, from the largest venues to the most intimate church gatherings.
Wherever you fall on that spectrum, we're honored that you're a customer. Our focus is providing software that empowers you to create beautiful productions quickly and effectively.
In 2020, with the introduction of ProPresenter 7, we also introduced ProPresenter Plus, a maintenance program that allowed us to make continuous improvements to the software available to you quickly. As a result, we've been able to release 16 major new updates in the last 4 years. That's an average of one update every 3 months. We love developing helpful features at this pace, hearing what you as our customers need, and providing solutions to your problems quickly. While this maintenance model has worked well, it is a bit different from the way other software is sold today, and can cause some confusion for many of our customers. In addition, the upfront cost for a professional application like ProPresenter doesn't fit into some of our customers' budgets. Our goal is to make ProPresenter accessible to anyone with a desire to level up their productions. And today, we're excited to announce that ProPresenter is now available as a subscription.
This means that new users can get access to ProPresenter at a manageable monthly or yearly price and no longer need to pay a large upfront lump sum to use ProPresenter. You can use the software in front of an audience as long as your subscription remains active. If you let your subscription lapse, the software will automatically be deactivated. You have the flexibility to start and stop your subscription as you need it.
Now, for all of our existing customers with active ProPresenter Plus, this change is minimal. Instead of renewing ProPresenter Plus, you'll move to a subscription. We'll share details on how you can do this in a few minutes. To be clear, subscriptions will eventually take the place of ProPresenter Plus. For our existing customers, we're giving you access to the new subscription at the same annual price that you are already paying for ProPresenter Plus. You'll continue to get the regular updates we are making to the software with your active subscription. Our objective is to make it as easy and painless as possible to switch to subscription.
One thing that we're really excited about that will change for you is that now you will have the ability to fully manage your ProPresenter subscriptions, computer activations, Bibles, and more, all in one place.
You'll have access to a custom account management page with all the license information for your organization. Gone are the days of having to keep track and type in long unlock codes. Once you convert to subscription, you'll have a username and password to log in to ProPresenter and activate the license on your computer.
That same username will allow you to see all of the computers that are active on your account. Further, you can manage the licensed devices directly from your account manager, including your Bibles. This new account portal also lets you manage your Pro Content subscription. You can even add other users to your account to help manage everything with you.
All the machines on your subscription will get instant access to the latest releases of ProPresenter as they become available. And the billing for all of your ProPresenter and Pro Content subscriptions are consolidated into a single location.
Say goodbye to renewals and complex pricing. When you make a change to your subscription, you'll be able to see exactly what is affected right in your account portal. Issues that used to require contacting support can now be handled directly from within the portal. Your new subscription will mean that you're always billed on schedule and can focus less on billing and renewals and more on making your production great.
We know that many of you have been using ProPresenter for a while, and for that we want to say thank you. For those of you with active ProPresenter Plus, we'll be locking you into your current seat rate of $189 a year or your current campus rate of $469 a year for at least the next 2 years.
Now you may also be asking, what happens to the current license I've purchased? Well, all existing licenses will continue to exist just as you purchased it. Whether you purchase a subscription or not, you will still have your ProPresenter license, and it will continue to work with the last update available to you when your ProPresenter Plus expires. ProPresenter remains free to download and will not require an account login until you're ready to remove the watermark. For new licenses, subscriptions for single seats will be available at $29 a month or $289 a year. And campus licenses will be available at $59 a month or $649 a year. We give you a little bit of a discount if you pay up front. If you're an existing customer, you'll be receiving an email within the next few days that will direct you to create your account import your existing license, including your Bibles, and add a subscription. If you have an active ProPresenter Plus, you won't even be charged until your next renewal date.
In order to get access to the new account manager and the simpler registration process, you will have to log in to the new renewedvision.com website and migrate your license. Also, if you've been with us for a while, you're probably used to us referring to the application as ProPresenter 5, 6, 7, or whatever the latest version is. With this update, we will be officially dropping the 7 from the name. Now, it's just ProPresenter. We'll still provide version numbers, starting with this update as version 17. This update isn't just about subscriptions and user accounts, however. We also have some really cool features too. Check this out.
Let's check out what's new in ProPresenter. What's new? Well, what's new? That's what's new. Now when you launch a new version of ProPresenter, you'll be presented with an easy-to-read overview of all the new features. Like, we've simplified activation. You can now sign in with a renewed Vision account to access your Pro Content subscription or activate your ProPresenter license. No unlock code needed. We're kicking props up a notch. Now you can keep all of your props organized with collections, so you can always find what you need. After you're all organized, take control over which props are showing and which ones aren't. Add an auto clear to a prop or as an action to any slider macro and set your prop to clear after a selected time. Or maybe you only want one prop up at a time? Activate single prop mode in a collection and trigger a prop to automatically clear any others. Unlock new ways to harness ProPresenter's powerful API by enabling TCP/IP. Now, third-party systems have the ability to send and receive TCP data in order to control ProPresenter. That's a quick look at what's new in ProPresenter. Enjoy all of these features and more by updating in-app or downloading at renewedvision.com.
Our team is hard at work on some big ideas that we really think are going to help you take your presentations to the next level, and we can't wait to share them with you in the coming months. We're excited for this next era of ProPresenter and to see all of the new and creative ways that you incorporate it into your productions. Thanks for joining us.